Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel VaMidanu. On today's menu we are making Akple or Ewokple. It is an indigenous dish popular amongst the Ewe tribe of Ghana. It is similar to Ewokple, which is made with cornmeal, but with this particular one it is made with roasted corn flour. So let's get cooking. I will start by walking you through the process of how to make your roasted corn flour. So in a pan on medium to low heat, you add your raw corn or maize to the pan, and then you toast it for a couple of minutes, stirring occasionally till a couple of the kernels begin to pop, and that's how you know it is ready. You are going to leave the corn to cool for a while, and then you are going to transfer that into a grinder, and then you grind till it is smooth. Once you are done grinding, you transfer that into a sieve, and then you sieve that. The goal is to achieve a very smooth or fine texture. And there you have it. You have your roasted corn flour. So now to the making of the dish, I'm going to transfer half a cup of the roasted flour into a bowl, and then I'm going to mix that with water, roughly 1 cup of water, and then I'm going to mix till it is nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to be filling my cooking pot with some water. To that, I'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt and some grains of selim. I'm going to add a little oil to that as well, and then I'm going to cover and leave that to boil. Once the water begins to boil, I'm going to add my roasted corn mixture or liquid into the water, and I'm going to stir concurrently whilst adding that to the water. I'm going to leave that to boil, and then I'm going to fetch some out and then set aside for later. So for our next step, I'm going in with 1 cup of roasted corn flour. Then I'm going to paddle that with the help of a spatula till everything comes together and is well combined. So next I'm going to be adding my roasted corn porridge that I set aside to loosen the consistency. So I'm going to continue paddling that non-stop like you see me do in the video for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to cover that and allow the steam cook the akple. So you cover that on low heat for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, and then you go back to paddling for an extra 5 minutes, and as simple as that, your Ewokple or akple is ready. So this step is completely optional, but just for presentation purposes, I'm going to wrap that in some plastic bag or plastic wrap. So you can pair your akple with any soup, any stew, or any sauce of choice, but I paired mine with some fried tilapia, sliced onion, tomatoes, green pepper, and some grounded pepper, and it was a hit. So we've come to the end of this video. If you found this helpful or educative, kindly subscribe for more, and don't forget to like and comment or share your thoughts. Bye. Thanks for watching.